Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn Binance coin for free. So by completing these tasks. So one of the tasks will be to go on your profile at the top, click more services and scroll down until you see gift and campaign. Then you will see word of the day. Click on it. Here you will play a game where you will earn some rewards and enter the word. Now another one would be to monthly missions. Click right there. On the monthly missions, you can go ahead and join and earn some points by completing some missions. And basically, you need to complete the missions for challenge attempts. You need to successfully refer one friend, make a fiat deposit worth of 100 USD, and so on and so forth. Basically, when you will finish these, you will click go, and then you will get a reward. Another thing you can do is go to trade and click futures. Once you are here, click on copy. And you want to scroll down until you see complete a survey to earn 10 USD. And it basically changes every month. So as you can see, there's a lot of to do, like to join, fill in the form, and subscribe to your favorite portfolio on Binance Copy Trading Bot. And after this, you will earn some reward. Now, of course, you earn rewards by referring your friends, and to withdraw these rewards, you want to go ahead again here on Gifts and Campaign, and you want to click Rewards Hub. And on Rewards Hub, you're going to be able to click on your reward shop, and you will see what you can get with your, as you can see, here it is, you can claim it as much as points you will have. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.